Yeah. Alright. I say I'm higher than two fat bitches sitting in a tree. Both got glasses on, but they really can't see. Looking at a fake nigga, trying to see what he really wanna be. Everybody wanna be what everybody wanna be. I got a lot of fucking haters, and I love my fucking haters. I'm dressed in all fucking black, like my nigga Darth Vader. Hit your girl with my lightsaber. Your girl head squared like an hour later. Then I'm off to getting paper. Yeah, yo bitch the money chaser. Yeah, I send her flowers. Yeah, I send her flowers. Nighttime, I love to take fucking showers. Take your bitch home, have her on the tower. Then I'll take your bitch and I will make her ours. What the fuck, nigga? What the fuck you trippin', nigga? You be telling stories and the truth is always missing, nigga. You niggas hate it, nigga. They try to debate it, nigga. These niggas sweet, so yeah, they tried to shake it, nigga. I don't shake it, nigga. I rick it, nigga. Take your bitch home, then I hit it like make it, nigga. What the fuck? I done really did it, bro. Fuck what you talk, cause what you talk ain't even fucking real, ho. Get pimped like a pill, though. I don't stand still, though. I come back, and I'm true like Will, bro. What the fuck, man? And I'm not playing. I do it because I do it, and I do it because I can. I'm high like I'm the man. They really don't understand everything I did at the beginning. I could do it to the end. These niggas say that they want it, but how the fuck you gon' get it? You lying, nigga, you ain't with it, nigga. You say that you get it, damn. This nigga wish he had it. He wish he could grab it. Wish that he was addicted to it so it could be a habit. What the fuck? Stash his body in a truck, then I'm fucking gone, you silly little motherfucking duck.